It's Tuesday, July 5, 2022. Today's top news headlines. Zelensky's court bans another Ukrainian opposition party. NATO country eyes U-turn on mandatory military service. US and Iran explain why nuclear talks stalled. Former Austrian finance minister faces death threats over Russia ties. Russia responds to Japanese threat. Russia loses appeal against hockey ban. Top British cabinet members resign. Mexican president vows to tear down the Statue of Liberty. Germany gives Ukraine advice on Nazi collaborator national hero. The Russians are coming for Europe, Zelensky says. Russia has made a decisive break with the West and is ready to help shape a new world order feature. Dmitry Trenin says. Finland and Sweden move closer to NATO membership. Fyodor Lukyanov, why the West has failed to get the rest of the world on board to support its confrontation with Russia, Fyodor Lukyanov says. Former coach reveals Highland Park suspect's parents were a problem before parade shooting. Police detail disturbing interactions with suspect before Highland Park shooting. White House dodges questions about alleged voicemail Joe left for Hunter. Islamic call to prayer shows Muslims balloon in Minneapolis. Phosphorus bombs. What you should know about Russia's alleged use. US settles lawsuit alleging abuse of men detained after 9/11. Tunisia's Jabeur, first Arab player to reach Wimbledon semis.